Alright y'all, today we have the All City Big Block. This is what I'm riding. It's a 58 centimeter steel frame, All City. I've got Unknown Bike Co. wheel set on here, straight from Bangkok, Thailand. I have a dual fixed cog rear hub, 17 tooth and a 15 tooth. Right now I'm riding 49 chainring, Sugino. I got Detta Paiga drop bars, Sella Italia saddle. I'm riding this now because it's raining, and obviously this is like the beater bike, but I still love it so much. We're downtown today, riding in the rain. It's back to wet weather. It was dry for a bit, that's why you got the couple Cinelli videos up. I don't really have a favorite, but this one's just good for every day. Nice weather, bad weather, not stressing. Anyways, that's what's up. I'm downtown riding today. It's rush hour, and that's what we're doing. Let's get into it.